Do you want to enjoy a luxury buffet at airport? Just at rupees 2? So, hi, I'm Lavanya and welcome to my channel. I make videos related to food and travel. And today we are here at Indira Gandhi International Airport, New Delhi. Have you ever noticed that all the airports have lounges where you can sit, relax, have food, read, and yes, you can also have beer. So, I'll go and show you this lounge. When you enter after the security checks before boarding gates, you have your food court here and उससे थोड़ा सा आगे जाके you will find this place. हर एयरपोर्ट पे डिफरेंट लाउंजेस होते हैं. जैसे मुंबई के एयरपोर्ट पे अदानी लाउंज है, वैसे ही यहाँ पे प्रीमियम प्लाजा लाउंज है. सो हेयर वी आर एट द लाउंज. तो यहाँ आपको बस एंट्री पे अपना बोर्डिंग पास दिखाना होगा और आपका एक कार्ड, जो कि कोई भी कार्ड हो सकता है, जैसे कि मास्टर कार्ड और वीज़ा कार्ड. Mostly banks give 2 or 3 accesses on their cards per quarter, or if you want to pay and use it, the prices will be mentioned here. But you'll have to keep one thing in mind, that आपके कार्ड और बोर्डिंग पास पे सेम नेम होना चाहिए. The place is very quiet and comfortable. आप यहाँ पे books, magazines, newspapers पढ़ सकते हो. Also you can work as they provide free Wi-Fi as well. For that you'll have to show your identity proof on the entry. And yes, they also serve alcohol, but for that you will have to pay separately. Now coming to the main part, that is food. Also a fact for you, यहाँ जो भी खाना बनता है ना, सारा कुछ 5-star chefs बनाते हैं. So the food is very tasty. And there is something for everyone. Firstly, you have a wide range of breads along with butter, jams, marmalades, everything. Then you'll have cornflakes, and after that you will have coffee, chai, and juices if you want. Then you have muffins. They had this very delicious pav bhaji and a lot of other options like omelette, sausages, vada sambar, idli sambar, and many other things. Also, if you are a health freak and you just prefer doing light breakfast with fruits and salads, you can have this. And this is me making my plate ready. Pav bhaji, which was very tasty, and this is my plate with all the things that I had and a cup of coffee. My experience was a 5 on 5. Everything was so good. Now it was time for our flight, but I will surely recommend you this place. Also, anyone who have already visited this place earlier, comment down your experience below. And if you like this video, hit like and consider subscribing.